Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your teacher Asad Imbasal. Hope you are fine and doing well in your life. Live strong and don't let other people drag you down. This is the chapter of physics book in ninth class, Physical Quantities and Measurement. Today our topic is Vernier Caliper. Vernier caliper is defined as the measuring device that is used for the measurement of linear dimensions. When we talk about its uses, it's measuring the internal diameter of a tube or a cylinder. It's also measure the length of an object as well as the depth of the beaker or a bottle. Physical quantities and measurement. Today our video content is first is diagram. We explain the complete diagram of the Vernier caliper, explain its components and its measurement, how to find out the least count of the Vernier caliper or Vernier Constant. When we talk about zero correction, the zero error will be also here. There are the three precautionary measures we can take during the finding of the data of the Vernier calipers. We can explain the detailed information of the Vernier caliper through example. Let's see the diagram of a Vernier caliper with jaws closed. This is the instrument used to measure the object up to 1 millimeter. This is the main scale, which is fixed, having a centimeters and millimeters readings. Vernier scales having a 10 divisions, which is equals to 0.9 millimeter. It has fixed jaws and Vernier scale have movable jaws. This is the simple diagram of Vernier caliper. Components. As we discussed earlier, Vernier caliper consists of two jaws. One is fixed jaw with the main scale attached to it. The main scale has centimeters and millimeters marks on it. The other one jaw is a movable jaw. It has a Vernier scale having a 10 divisions over it such that each of the divisions is 0.9 millimeter. Next is least count of the Vernier calipers. This is the definition of least count of Vernier caliper. The difference between one small divisions on main scale division and one Vernier scale division is 0.1 millimeter. It is least count LC of the Vernier caliper. मेन स्केल के ऊपर जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट रीडिंग होगी उसको डिवाइड करना है वर्नियर स्केल पे नंबर ऑफ डिविजन्स पर. वर्नियर स्केल पे नंबर ऑफ डिविजन्स हमारे पास हमेशा 10 होते हैं. लेट्स सपोज मेन स्केल पर हमारे पास सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू 1 मिलीमीटर है, तो हम जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 0.1 मिलीमीटर. जब इस मिलीमीटर को हम सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करेंगे तो हम 0.1 मिलीमीटर को डिवाइड करेंगे 10 पे, तो हमारा मिलीमीटर सेंटीमीटर में चेंज हो जाएगा और हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 0.01 सेंटीमीटर. Zero error. It is the definition of zero error. Find the error in the measuring instrument. It is called zero error of the instrument. Correction can be made to find out the correct measurement. Such a correction is called zero correction of the instrument. Zero correction. Close the jaws of Vernier caliper gently. If the zero line of the Vernier scale coincides with the zero of the main scale, then the zero error is zero. Zero error will be exist if the zero line of the Vernier scale is not coinciding with the zero of the main scale. Zero error will be positive if zero line of the Vernier scale is on the right side of the zero of the main scale, and it will be negative if the zero line of the Vernier scale is on the left side of the main scale. Precautions. When we talk about a precaution, first is close the jaws till they press the opposite side of the object gently. Second, add zero correction to get correct measurement. Third, record at least 3 observations to get correct measurement. This is one of the examples of Vernier scale numerical. Find the diameter of the cylinder placed between the outer jaws of Vernier caliper. When we talk about Vernier caliper, we can determine the measurement of any object up to 1 millimeter. So, find out the diameter of the cylinder. Main scale reading is 0.0 centimeter. As we know, Vernier division coincides with the main scale, which is 7th division, which is given. Vernier scale reading 7 multiplied by 0.01 centimeter, which becomes 0.07 centimeter. Our zero error is 0.0 centimeter. Add into the Vernier division coincide with the main scale divisions. so which will becomes positive 0.07 centimeter. So the diameter of the cylinder will be 2.2 centimeter main scale readings, and its scales division is 6 divisions. So vernier scale reading multiply the divisions with the vernier scale readings, which becomes 0.06 centimeter. So add the correction, which is 0.07 into the 2.26, which will become 2.29.